look, last year, 2024 was one of the greatest seasons the league has ever had. I don't think anyone is reflecting on last year as a vintage year, and probably a big part of that was the lack of suspense around the title race. Look, there's no reflection. Rovers just did their job. Can anyone stop them? I certainly believe that there'll be a title race this year. Whether that means that there'll be a different winner, there's probably two different things. I think maybe people are a bit scarred by writing them off last year and being so definitive and getting caught up in a team finishing the season strong. You're probably almost thinking, no, let's reset the default here. Rovers still have the best players, you would think the best squad, although other squads have strengthened. That if they can have a normal year, it's Stephen Bradley's 10-year anniversary this year in the job. Once he remains there for the season and everything remains sort of as is, you would think, look, they have a really, really good chance of retaining it. But I do think that Shelbourne's squad is getting there. If one or two of their overseas recruits work, which is a bit of a gamble that they've taken, and Derry City, as you mentioned, the James McLean aspect, but also Patrick McLean. They've signed more so players from around the league. They seem to have more depth. I still need to see the evidence of Derry to be fully convinced how it's going to click there. But I hope we would have a title race at least.